Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can use Microsoft Excel to keep the track of your missed Salat, and it will to help you clear your backlog. And we have developed a tool which uses Microsoft Excel, and it uses the VBA automation functions, and it assists you to quickly enter your missed salats which you are performing, and it keeps a track of it and displays your status. How far have you done? How far have you yet to go? And so on. So let's first start with this hadith of Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala, who narrated that uh, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the Imam is answerable, and the Muezzin is entrusted. The Imam is answerable, and the Muezzin is entrusted. O Allah, guide the Imams and pardon the Muezzins. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم الإمام زامن والمؤذن مؤتمن. اللهم أرشد الأئمة واغفر المؤذنين. So this is a very great virtue. Whoever got the opportunity to deliver the adhan or to lead the prayers, they are chosen people, and they have a greater status in the society. And prayer leading is a great responsibility as well. So with this hadith, we supplicate to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Oh Allah, give empower us and give us the understanding of Islam and its sha'air, the things which we are supposed to pay the due respect, right? And now let's get back to the tool which we have developed, and we have been showing you in our previous videos that this tool is very useful for those who have a large number of missed salat, or any number of salat, means even the small quantity, when a thing can help you in the for the large quantity. For sure, for the small quantity, it's not a big deal for you. So let's open the Explorer. Yeah, and here is the Explorer, and we go to the VBA, right? And we copy our last with a new name and change the name, add 1 to this number. This is just to protect the original version of the, so that you may need to roll back anytime, so you can do it. Okay, so when we open it, so it will offer you to enable the contents, since this file is being opened first time. So it is going to alert you that you got to enable the contents, right? Okay, so Excel is attempting to load this file, and shortly you will get, this is the enable content button, which you got to press, otherwise the functionality will not work, or the file will not serve its purpose. So as soon as you enable so it makes sure that until yesterday you have been performing all the because ever since you have started this, it means you have started with the tawbah, that in future you will not be missing any salah. And then we have a double click function. We click anywhere in the double click, and it will take you to this. So until 9 we have entered. So the next available space is this. So we enter 5 more salats which have been performed on 10th of June. That's right. So the figures are updated, and you are now 7,385 days short of the backlog. So as to clear the backlog, you've got to it will keep on. So it will keep on showing you that how far have you done and how far you have yet to go. As soon as you complete all this will vanish. This gray area will be eliminated, and you will be having only 2 pies. The one is for the dues which were due, and the other will be the one which you have failed. So we have got some macros. We have showed you in our previous video how these macros are functioning. This is the message which comes when you do the double click, and it asks you how many days. So when you click, you enter the date, and then it again asks the date of performing of that. And later on, then it starts a do while loop, right, to mark the stamping and the data stamp on it. And then when have you done it for these? And this is in line with the teachings of scholars. In our previous video, we showed you that how should we perform the miss salah, the qada salah. So that is in the first come first basis, means the oldest salah has to be which you have missed has to be performed first. So that's what the point is, that when you click the first immediate, so this is the oldest salah which you would be performing. Six means the five salats which are only Fajr, Zuhr, and Asr, and Maghrib, and Isha. These are the five salah. And why six? The sixth is the witr, right? And hopefully when you do it, so in your lifespan, so you will be there clear of all your backlog. Just suppose if anyone dies, of before completing its backlog, so he will have to pay fidya. Fidya, that is after that, after the death. Fidya after the death amount will be calculated with X amount. For example, 2 kg of two and a half kg of wheat, whatever is the amount. So it is equal to the sadaqatul fitr. Right? Sadaqatul fitr minimum amount in our area is roughly 300 rupees. So you can so the formula will be. So we have added a new function in here which calculates the fidya after the death, and it will keep on updating on every change, right? So it will be you will have the latest figure displayed, right? So the formula of fidya is simply this, that you whatever is the are the days, these are multiplied by 6, because the 6 prayers are per day are considered. And as per current fatwa from Binori town here, we have a leading institution, so which is authentic. So 180 rupees is the sadaqatul fitr, right? So and then we use a text function to do the comma so that it is readable for you. So 7,980,120 is at the moment, right? So so this will be always available. So this is a new function, good value addition in our tool, that would always let you know that if my lifespan comes to end today, so this is the due which have to be paid, which should be paid, right, from my assets, right? And from my asset, first thing which is important is the tajheez or takfeen, means the kafan, the funeral expenses, right? So these have to be done first. The second thing are any debts, any due, which any liabilities which I have, so they have to be given first to that. If anything remaining then upon them, then out of, if the remaining is X amount, so if this figure is within the 33% of that, one third of the sale, so this should be taken out, and it should be distributed to poor, right, on my behalf, right? And the rest will be distributed to the heirs, right, legal heirs, right? So these are uh, the way that Excel can help you figure out how far have you done, how far are you, say, means with respect to the backlog. So if this gray area vanishes, then this figure will be 0 as well, right? So this is a new improvement which we have done for you, and we share it to you. Maybe you will find it useful. Okay, thank you very much for watching. लौह भी तो कलम भी तो तेरा वजूद अल किताब गुंबद आबगी न रंग
تیرے محیط میں حباب، لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو، تیرا وجود الکتاب، گنبد آبگین رنگ، تیرے محیط میں حباب، عالم آب و خاک میں تیرے ظہور سے فروغ، ذرہ ریگ کو دیا تو نے طلوع آفتاب، لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو، تیرا وجود الکتاب، گنبد آبگین رنگ، تیرے محیط میں حباب، ذرہ ریگ کو دیا تو نے طلوع آفتاب، شوکت سنجر و سلیم تیرے جلال کی نمود، فقر جنید و بایزید تیرا جمال بے نقاب، شوکت سنجر و سلیم تیرے جلال کی نمود، فقر جنید و بایزید تیرا جمال بے نقاب، لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو، تیرا وجود الکتاب، گنبد آبگین رنگ، تیرے محیط میں حباب، شوق تیرا اگر نہ ہو میری نماز کا امام، میرا قیام بھی حجاب، میرا سجود بھی حجاب، شوق تیرا اگر نہ ہو میری نماز کا امام، میرا قیام بھی حجاب، میرا سجود بھی حجاب، تیری نگاہ ناز سے دونوں مراد پا گئے، عقل و غیاب و جستجو، عشق حضور اضطراب، تیری نگاہ ناز سے دونوں مراد پا گئے، عقل و غیاب و جستجو، عشق حضور اضطراب، لوح بھی تو قلم بھی تو